Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cleve from Cleve's Insights. Now look, I'm not going to try to tell you guys what or what not to do, but I pretty much learned a lesson. Now, you got all these vehicle startups now. You got Slade, you got Scout, you got the Tilo truck. I love to have a little small truck, but is it worth taking a chance, putting a reservation down or reserving something that you don't know for sure what it's going to be like, or even if it's going to materialize? Now, with that being said, I made that big mistake 14 years ago. I reserved a vehicle called the Elio. Now, this thing was going to change the world. It was going to be all revolutionary. It was going to be, you can have like two people in it. It was three wheels, two in the front, one in the back. Base price, $6,800. A whopping 84 miles to the gallon. At the time I was working and I was commuting back and forth 70 miles a day. I said, hell yeah, I'm in. So look, you could either give them like $100 deposit and with not refundable, or $50 deposit refundable, or believe this, you can get 500 or 1,000. Now, when you get 500 or 1,000, all that does is put you ahead of what they call the spot in line. So when they come off the assembly line, you get it sooner. So this Paul Elio guy had us all fooled. Boy, was I stupid. What he did was he made a couple little samples. He went around the country showing them off and stuff. And there was this, it wasn't even working prototypes. He took an engine out of a Chevy Sprint, Suzuki Sprint, and had that in there for powertrain. The servicing network was supposed to be at all Pep Boys throughout the country. But I'm not going to go on about that. Paul Elio, you asshole. You took my money and many Americans. But look, I was looking through some stuff the other day, and look, I did get something for my $50. It's supposed to have been refundable. I didn't get it back. No one got their money back. This guy should be in jail. But look what I got. I got an Elio Motors bumper sticker. Wow. I got a nice letter informing me. Pretty much it says, hello, future Elio owners. Enclosed, you will find your limited edition t-shirt in the size you ordered and an Elio Motors bumper sticker. We are so excited to be in this journey with you. We are setting the pace for a personal transportation revolution. Wear your shirt with pride. You are a part of a very special group. Thank you for your support. The Elio marketing team. This is back in 2014. That piece of shit, he got our money. All I got to show for it is what I showed you in this damn t-shirt. And I found this by accident. I thought I threw it away. So look, here's the t-shirt. On the back, excuse me, that was the back. On the front, it says future Elio owner. See that? Front, back. So with that being said, Paul Elio, on your next piece of chicken you eat, I hope you choke on a goddamn bone. You should be in jail. You took all of our money. So I don't think I'll never ever reserve a vehicle, pay for something, or pre-order before I actually see these things being built and on the road. That's just my take on it. Guys, let me know what you think. Did you order a Slate? Did you order a Tilo? Did you order one of those Aptera things, those two-wheel things? I want to know because I'll never ever do this again. All I got stuck with was a t-shirt and dreams. Thanks for watching. If you like the information I just gave you, feel free, like, follow, subscribe. And Cleve Insights, we're out.